You want to go to the dog park, Cal? You do? You want to go? Ready, go? I know you haven't been in the park in forever. Let's go. Ready? Hey. Oh, I'm stupid. Wait. I forgot my debit card. I will be right back. Can you watch Callie for me for a second, please? Hi, can I have a large coffee with half French vanilla in it, please?
Anything else?
And, Jesus Christ, a Boston cream donut, please.
A Boston cream?
Yes, thank you.
You grilled your train of thought, did I?
Right, pretty much, yeah.
Not bad.
That's okay.
That's everything?
That's it.
Okay, 518, drive it up, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Hello, darling. How are you?
Okay, how are you?
Good. Thank you. Please, Abby.
Debit, please.
Alright, here we are, my dear.
Thank you. You too. Hello?
Hello.
Buffalo. There's buffaloes out today.
Huh?
So there's buffaloes out today.
Nice. Going to the dog park?
Yup.
Hey.
It's gonna be gorgeous today. It's supposed to be up to like 9 degrees today.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Is that not good?
Huh?
Is that not good?
No, it's gonna be cold and snowy.
No, it's not.
It should be.
Oh, because it's December and you're gonna whine about Christmas?
Yeah.
Anyways, I can barely hear you, so you must be doing something.
Yeah, good.
Okay.
Bye, honey. I love you.
Okay, I love you too.
You have to wait.
Okay.
Nice.
Bye. At the dog park, my friend is going to be here shortly, but I'm at the dog park. I'm going to go let Miss Cal out, and I'm so excited. We haven't been here in a while, so let's go chase a ball. You want to go get a ball, Cal? You ready to go get a ball? Cal, you ready to go? This is mind-boggling to me. Yes, she loves it here. She has a great time here. She gets to run and poop and play and whatever. I didn't mean run in poop, but it kind of sounded like that, and that's also true. But I meant run and poop and play and have a great time and hopefully meet some other dogs here. I know my friend is coming with Hero, so she's very excited because Hero's gonna come. She just perked up when I said his name. She loves him and she loves to play with him. I am kind of sad. I need a bigger house because all this anxiety that Callie has, I've been told recently that I can help it by getting her another dog. Apparently huskies are very social and they need a dog, and these cats are not going to be enough for her, and I want her to have the best life possible, but I can't do another dog in this house that I live in. I can't. I just can't. Maybe if we didn't have the cats, I'd consider it, but we do have the cats and I'm not going to do that to them. Hey, remind me when I get home to feed my snakes. I gotta feed my snakes. I did feed one of them yesterday, 2 days ago, but I need to feed the other two because I need to thaw out their rats. Anyways, I'm going off track. I'm gonna have a lot to edit, apparently. So let's go to the dog park, shall we? Happening, but I wonder if it's been so long since we've been here that she doesn't remember how to do this. It hasn't been that long, has it? Oh, no, she's gotta poop, that's all. She's gotta poop. Look at the sunshine coming through my window. That makes me so happy. That just like brings me joy. I don't think it doesn't have rainbows, but it is Like, look at all that sun. That's crazy. It is a beautiful day outside. What is it right now? It's 8 degrees. It's supposed to go up to 10 by 2 p.m. today. It's 8 degrees outside. Celsius, by the way. If that's Fahrenheit, I don't know. Convert it to your damn self if you need Fahrenheit. But it is a beautiful, beautiful day out. I'm gonna take this opportunity to reset my house. I have a little bit of work to do today. I just looked down at my sink. It is full of dishes. It is Friday. I'm not going into the weekend with my house looking like this. I am going shopping with my friend tomorrow. We are having a child-free girls' day shopping. I'm very excited. We're leaving the kids with the husbands and we are going shopping, 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 and I cannot wait. I really need to reset my home before I leave because I know that the kids aren't gonna do it and my husband is going to, he does his best. Oh my God. I love the internet. It is such a great place. I just researched, like, I just wanted to make sure that I had this, like, wives' tale correct. Basically, if you want to really cleanse the energy in your house, cleaning your home with the windows open and fresh air coming in is one of the biggest. So I was researching to see, like, what it is specifically, if there's anything specifically about it. But instead, I came across some, suggested questions. And one of them is, does keeping your windows open at night allow demons and spirits to enter your room? I love the internet. Anyways, I think Callie is tired. I think she's ready to take a nap, thank goodness. I'm trying to filter some water so I can give her some water. She's just sleeping. Look, she's just sleeping. There's the water dish right over there. She's just waiting for me to fill it up. She's so tired. Callie, are you sleepy, baby? Are you thirsty? Do you want some water? I totally forgot. Before I start cleaning, I bought some Christmas lights to go around my house last night, or yesterday when I was out with Rowan. And last night is what I meant to say, is I put a bunch of, what are they called? What are they called? Command strips. Oh my God. I was just about to say the sticky things that you can hang stuff on. I bought a bunch of, I bought a huge pack of command strips from Costco a little while ago, knowing that I was eventually going to get some lights. Yeah, I forgot. So I'm going to go actually put those up first so that when I'm cleaning, I have more joy. So let's do that. Oh, also I put up some command strips so that I can, my husband's got his wire taped up there, but I put some command strips up there too so that I can take that ugly tape down and put his wire on some command strips. And the reason I did them last night was so that they had time to cure and the lights aren't going to bring them down. So hopefully they've been up there long enough without any weight holding them down that they will actually stick. But anyways, let's do it before. Ready? 4. It's nice out today. Like, it's really nice out today. Plus, I also need a shower. Wow, should I wait till nah, fuck it. Anyways, look at the rainbows on my stairs. I'm so happy. I set a fire. Do you like my fire? I just really wanted to bring the Christmas vibes in, you know? I'm also gonna put a couple command strips on my TV stand for my stockings. So I'm gonna do that now so that they have time to really like grab on before Christmas, and then we can hang our stockings on the TV stand. I think it's gonna look really cute beside the presents and everything and the tree. And look at Miss Cal, she's just sleeping there. She just watched me the whole time doing the lights. I think we've got dusting, dishes, vacuum, and then steam mop. I think I can do that in the next however long I have until everybody comes home. Wish me luck. I've decided that I'm going to make a snack-a-doodle-doo for me and the hubs to watch a movie. This is a snack we definitely don't have very often, but I realized that I have not posted this. This is a dip that I make usually when I have parties, which is not very often anymore. But this is a dip that I've made before for parties and stuff, and like get-togethers, or even just bring it to barbecues or whatever. This is a dip that I have made that my aunt introduced me to, and then I just kind of tweaked a little bit. I made it a few times. I really liked it the way that she made it, and then I just kind of tweaked it. It's really easy. It's probably probably not like the cheapest dip, but like I said, it's one of those things that you take to like barbecues and, you know, have like a small get together or something, or like a table of appetizers and stuff like that. This is a great dip to add. It is seafood, so if you're allergic to seafood, it's not for you, but this is delicious and I highly recommend you try it. I'm gonna show you how to make it, and I cannot believe that I've not made it before and I haven't posted it on my website because I make this dip all the time. It's so good. I can't wait to show you, so let's make it. I hope he sees this and realizes what I'm making so you guys can hear how excited he's gonna be. Like this, yeah. As soon as he figures out what it is that I'm making, he's gonna lose his shit. It's been a long time since we've had this. Notice.
Notice what?
What I made.
Yeah, the crab dip.
Cheers. Jesus, cheers. Good? Good? And Christmassy, snowy. What a wonderful 10 degrees outside. Can I get the broccoli, please? The bourbon chicken? And the Louisiana chicken, please.
I'll do this one. For the holidays. Anyways, I really don't know what the policy is on YouTube videos for this. Honestly, I have no idea. But now is the time to test that theory anyway. They have government stickers on them though. Where I am, it's legal. So 4 different strains across 24 days. Thoughtfully curated to turn your thoughts on plus off throughout the holiday season. So we are on day 8. Is the 8th? 9th. I'm gonna open the first one just to see. So as you can see, there's 24 little spots for 24 little
Motor strike.
J's. Your time is limited. Don't waste it living someone else's life. Very, very true. A hard lesson I had to learn in the last year or two, actually. I love that. Guys, I'm going to not open the rest. If it told you which one was which, I'm very excited. So, I think this is a good way to spend the month. Not gonna lie. Today, I could really use it. Planned on pulling out the camera a lot more often than I did today, but it just didn't happen. We were busy. And it was incredibly busy. And the whole like mall at Christmas time, you gotta do it at least once through the season, right? And will I step back into a mall until next Christmas? Probably not. Talk to you tomorrow or at some other point when I decide to wake up. Anyways,